Hope all of you are well and staying at home in this difficult time. So let us discuss today about chapter 3, Kinematics, 11th class, according to NCERT. Today we will discuss about distance, displacement, speed, and average speed in detail. ठीक है करके पढ़ते हैं. What is distance? Distance is the original path covered by the object. Original path covered by object is known as distance. इसको मेजर कैसे करेंगे? SI unit. SI unit of distance is meter. SI unit is meter. Other units are there: centimeter, kilometer, millimeter. But standard unit is SI unit is meter. Distance is always positive. ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगी, नेगेटिव डिस्टेंस कभी नहीं. नेक्स्ट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द shortest path shortest path between initial and final position. Initial and final position is known as displacement. What is its SI unit? SI unit of displacement is also meter. So both have same SI unit, meter. It is original path, it is shortest path. But displacement may be positive or may be negative. Distance always positive, but displacement may be positive, may be negative. Next, एक example देखते हैं. Let particle moves from A to B and then goes from B to C. What is the distance and displacement? In this example, distance is AB plus BC, but displacement is shortest path AC. This is displacement. ध्यान रखिए, distance is the original path AB plus BC, but displacement is shortest path AC. Displacement हमेशा shortest means straight line होगा between initial and final position. ध्यान रखना. So conclusion is कौन greater है, distance या displacement? The answer is distance is greater than or equal to displacement. Distance or displacement में कौन greater हुआ? Distance is either greater than or equal to displacement. Means distance displacement से छोटा कभी नहीं होगा, कभी नहीं होगा. Either greater या फिर equal. एक example से समझते. Let us discuss about the example related to distance. A particle moves along a circular path of radius r with center O, starts moving from point A. इसे चलना start. Particle moves along the circumference, moves from A to B like this, then B to C, then C to D, and then finally reaches to A. Particle starts from A and goes via B, C, D, and finally again reaches to A. That is, the question is, what is the what is the distance and and displacement, distance and displacement from in first part A to B. A से B तक distance and displacement कितना होगा? If we will go from A to B, the distance is original path means this one. What it is? Total circumference का 1/4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So distance from A to B is total circumference. You know when 10th में पढ़ा है 2 pi r divided by 4. 2 to the 4. The answer will become pi r by 2. Displacement from A to B. Displacement is the shortest path. Shortest path from A to B is straight line. This displacement we can calculate by Pythagoras theorem. This is radius. This is also radius. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, displacement AB straight AB is equals to under root base का square plus perpendicular square. It becomes equal to under root 2r square, which can be written as root 2 into r. This is the distance and displacement. Second question is, what is the distance and displacement from A to C? Distance कितना होगा? Displacement कितना होगा? This is the second part. Let us solve. हो सकता है मैं खुद मैंने solve कर लिया होगा. देखते ही पता चल जाता है. Let me explain. अपने आप भी हमें आना चाहिए, बट मैं solve कर रहा हूँ. A to C की हम बात करेंगे तो distance becomes total circumference. Total circumference 2 pi r half. 2 pi r by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. The answer will become pi. But displacement is what? From A to C. Shortest path. That is AC, which is R plus R 2R. Displacement is 2R. The third question is, what is the distance and displacement from A to D? Distance and displacement distance and displacement from A to D. A से D तक distance और displacement कितना होगा? Obviously, A से D तक जो distance है वो total circumference का कितना part है? 1, 2, 3, 4 total and 1, 2, 3. ये total 4 parts में से 3 part है. The distance is 3/4 of total circumference 2 pi r. This can be written as 3 pi r by 2. And displacement from A to D, distance ये है, but displacement क्या होगा? Shortest, this one. ये कैसे निकालेंगे? Shortest AD again R radius, AD radius again by applying Pythagoras theorem. Displacement AD can be written as root 2R, same Pythagoras theorem. In the last part from A to A, what is the distance and displacement? Distance and displacement from A to A. यहाँ से चल के यहीं आ गई. What is the distance? Total circumference, which is 2 pi r. And displacement, shortest path between initial and final position. What is initial position? A. What is final position? A. Initial and final position are same, so displacement becomes 0. That is the distance and displacement से related basic concept. Numericals practice के लिए बहुत सारे हम अलग डिफरेंट बुक से कर सकते हैं. मैंने भी स्टडी मटेरियल अवेलेबल करा दिया है, उसमें से न्यूमेरिकल्स करने का डेली होमवर्क. That is about distance and displacement. Original path, shortest path. Always positive means never be negative, but it may be positive or it may be negative. ये important point है जो हमें ध्यान रखना है. Thank you.